Gone back and forth whether or not to bring this. I'm not expecting it to be really cold. Let me tell you the big mistakes that I made on the Arizona Trail. Well, it's back to being cold again.
Yep.
Stupid. I ditched so much of my cold weather gear. A huge mistake. I didn't even bring thermals. The first night that we got on the Arizona Trail, it was 18 degrees. Bring your freaking thermals, okay? They don't weigh that much. Should have brought them, didn't bring them, regretted it. Brought these super cheap headlamps. This is from, I think, Walmart. In the fall is that it gets dark really fast. So by 5 p.m. it is dark. And that doesn't leave a lot of time for hiking when it doesn't get light until 7 a.m. Our first night hike, they just broke. Like, I had to use my cell phone flashlight. I had it like strapped on my chest. This was the dumbest thing ever. Get a good headlamp, Suzie. So we brought our 2-person tent because we were trying to save weight. That was so silly. We have a 3-person tent and we brought our 2-person tent. Why? I don't remember. When you're out on the trail for 40 days and you're sharing a tiny tent, it can get a little claustrophobic. We ended up not being able to put our packs inside our tent. I got this huge blister on my toe and it was underneath a callus and I couldn't pop the blister and it was super painful. And if you know, you know. The rocks started to just destroy the back of my heel. Like a dime-sized blister can just easily become something that really cripples you on your hike. So having that ability to take care of your feet is just so important. And the one thing that you need is a needle. So don't ever forget a needle. We'll see. The poncho. We decided to go with a poncho and that was ridiculous. It was too short to cover the pack. It's gonna flap in the wind. There's no way you can hold it down. It was just, that is just not gonna work. The fact that we couldn't put our packs in our tent, we just used the poncho as a tarp. So that was the cheapest lightweight tarp that I've ever got before. So that was, it really wasn't the worst mistakes we could have made. And
loving every minute of it.
There we go. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.